Namaskar everyone. I Nidhi Desai from Neura Global School. Welcome you to our maths class. So first of all, let's do prayer, kids, and then after we start our new topic. So everyone, please join your hands and close your eyes and start the Gayatri Mantra, kids. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Rub your palm, kids, and put them on your eyes. Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So kids, let's see what we are going to do today. First of all, we revise our topic we already done, and then after we start our new topic. So kids, be ready for our new topic. Kids, in the last presentation we learned smallest number and before number, right? So how we find the smallest number? Yes, the number which has less quantity, that is the smallest number, and the number which has more quantity, that is the biggest number. So let's revise our numbers, smallest number and biggest number. Here I am putting the number 7, 4 and 9. Here I am putting the number 7, 4 and 9 with their quantity. 7, 4 and 9 all are one digit number, so it comes on the ones place. So I am putting here ones, decimals 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that, here is number 4, so we have to put 4 quantity, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, there is number 9, so we have to put the number 9 quantity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you can see here which number has less quantity. Yes, the number 4 has less quantity. So number 4 is the smallest number, and number 9 has more quantity. So number 9 is the biggest number. Let's write, kids. So the number which has less quantity, that number is small number, and the number which has more quantity, that is the biggest number. So now kids, let's see our 2-digit number. Okay. Okay everyone. Now here I am going to take another numbers. The numbers are 66, 90 and 29. The numbers are 66, 90 and 29. So now kids, let's put the quantity with this number and see which is the biggest number. Here are 2-digit numbers. So 6 tens and 6 ones makes number 66. So this is the decimal for 10. So 110, 210, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and 6 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, and 6 ones. Now see the quantity of 90. 9 tens makes number 90. So here 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and 9 tens. Right? Here is the 9 tens. Makes number 90. Then after 2 tens and 9 ones. 1 10, 2 tens and 9 ones. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. Now look children, as we see here, which is the smallest number? Yes, whenever we learn 2-digit number, first we have to make comparison between tens place. We have to compare between tens place. So which number's tens place is bigger? It's the biggest number, and which number's tens place is smaller is the smallest number. जो नंबर की टेंस प्लेस बिग होती है वो बिगर नंबर होता है, और जो नंबर की टेंस प्लेस स्मॉल होती है वो नंबर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होता है. तो हियर वी कंपेयर द टेंस प्लेस 6, 9 and 2. Then we can see the 9 tens are more in quantity. So this 90 is the biggest number. And look at the tens place of 6 and 2. So 2 is less quantity. 2 is with less quantity. So 229 number is the smallest number. Right? Now let's see our today's topic, kids. In our new topic today we are going to learn comparison between two numbers. Comparison between two numbers. So let's take a number first. This is number 2 and this is number 4. This is number 2 and this is number 4. Now please put the quantity here 1 and 2, and put the here 4 quantity 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we very well know that the number which has less quantity is the smallest number, and the number which has more quantity is the biggest number. Now there is one crocodile. It is very hungry. जो crocodile जो था वो बहुत hungry था, right? And he wants to more and more food. He wants to eat more and more food. So here I am making a crocodile for you, right? Here I am making the crocodile for you. This is the crocodile. Open his mouth, ready to eat, right? Crocodile जो है वो अपना माउथ ओपन करके रेडी है खाने के लिए, right? So everyone, let's see here which number has more quantity. The crocodile open its mouth toward them. Okay, जिस तरफ more quantity होगी, crocodile जो है वो अपना माउथ उसकी तरफ ओपन करके उसको खाने के लिए जाएगा, right? So look here, there is a 4 rings. So crocodile wants to eat that 4 rings. So we have to put this sign here. Okay, right? So we can say that 2 is less than 4. This is the sign of less than. This is the sign of less than. 2 is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. यानी कि जो ये नंबर 2 है वो 4 से कैसा है? स्मॉल है, छोटा है, कम है, राइट? नाउ लेट्स चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ नंबर्स. Here I am changing the position of numbers. Okay, 4 and 2. Put the quantity. Now there is another sign we have to put. So here is the more quantity. So crocodile come that side, and this is the greater than sign. This is the greater than sign. So we can say that 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. Likewise, if the numbers are same, we can see here the numbers are same. We can see here the numbers are same. Both the side number 4. 4 quantity. Both the number has 4 quantity. Now what we have to do? Yes, we put the sign of equal. We put the sign of equal. Because that numbers and quantity are equal, so we have to put the sign equal. Right, kids? So another example of this. Okay, kids, let's see the another quantity. Here I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rings, and here I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So kids, which color has more quantity? Yes, the red color has more quantity. So we have to put here the red color is more than brown color. Red color is more than brown color. So we have to put here the less than sign. Okay. And if I put here another ring, so red here the red is more than this 2 pink colors. So here I am putting this sign with this. Okay, so this is less than and this is greater than. Less than and greater than. So here we are going to learn the sign of comparison. Here we are going to learn the sign of comparison. So let's see the sign of comparison, kids. यहाँ पे हमें ये याद रखना है कि जो भी नंबर बिग होगा, जो भी नंबर के पास मोर क्वांटिटी होगी, उसकी तरफ क्रोकोडाइल जो है वो अपना माउथ ओपन करके रखेगा. So let's see the comparison sign. See kids, this is the sign of less than. This is less than, right? We can make the sign with our finger also. This is the less than. After that, this is greater than. This is greater than. This is greater than, and this is equal to. This is equal to. Okay, now let's put the number with this sign. So we can see here number 6 is less than 9. How we read this? With the sign 6 is less than 9. 6 is less than 9. After that 7 is greater than or bigger than 4. 7 is greater than or bigger than 4. And here both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. So let's repeat the sign, kids. 6 is less than 9. 6 is less than 9. 7 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4. 2. Both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. Now let's see our next example with the for revision. Okay, kid, see the first number. We have to compare between 9 and 4. Now tell me which sign we have to put here? Greater than, less than or equal to? Yes. Here we are going to put greater than sign. Here we are going to put greater than sign. So let's read 9 is greater than 4. 9 is greater than 4. Now next number is 2 and 6. The next number is 2 and 6. So which sign we have to put here? Yes, less than sign. This is the sign for less than. So 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. Now next numbers are 8 and 8. Though this is the equal number. These are the equal number. Both numbers are equal. So this is the comparison, and that is the sign greater than, less than, equal to. So I hope you all understand this topic. So please make a practice with the numbers and quantity also. Thank you and namaskar everyone.